Hello viewer, we will take a new layer and we will make the style of the layer using the different design features. So these are the designs here. Make an attraction using it. So we can also pick up the style from the scratch. We will go to the layer, pick up the stroke there,